Hi, my name is Iruvuri Thaguram. Right now, I am in Unit 2 of Data Analytics, sub batch number 39, with student ID FT38 underscore 300. Today, I am here to perform my EDA project question and answer session with my fellow teammate Rahul Gupta. Rahul, can you please introduce yourself?
Hello everyone, myself Rahul Gupta. I am from Data Dispatch FB38 and I am here with the host and team leader to answer some questions related to the project.
May I know your student ID, Rahul?
My student ID is FT38 609.
That's great, Rahul. So, my team consists of four. I am the team leader. I'm the team leader. My team consists of four. Me, Bhargavaram, and then Rahul is my fellow teammate. Shivam is one more teammate, and then Vimal is another teammate. As of this session of question and answers, should be taken by two team members. One should be the team lead, and the other one fellow teammate. Since as of that condition, we are both are proceeding with this question and answer session. And so, in order to start this question, I would like to ask a few questions so that we'll take forward. The first question I would like to ask to meet with my team and mainly with Rahul Gupta. The first question is, what is the scope of this project? Why did you choose the same?
Our project was based on the data of a crime in the Los Angeles. So we choose this project to visualize the Los Angeles data related to crime, where we find out that the data are related to where we
Uh-huh.
find out that in which state areas most of the crimes are happening and what are the crimes are mostly happening on that particular data set.
Okay. Why did you choose the same one?
We choose to visualize the data of the criminals so we can understand very understand neatly that what are the main problems or crimes are happening in the process.
Good, good. Okay. Can you walk me through the most challenging technical problem you encountered in this project and how you resolved it?
Most challenging. So the most challenging problem is our GitHub issue where we are not able to use it properly or uh, push, make a branch of it. So we used our fellow teammates who are able to make the branch, and then we simply push the same file in a particular repository instead of having a different branch for all of them.
That's good. That's great. Uh, what specific technologies did you use and why did you choose them for this project?
In the project, we simply used Python coding language, and in Python we used pandas, matplotlib, and Streamlit. So we used pandas for identifying and tuning and processing the data for the for visualization. We taken matplotlib and uh, to represent the all the data, all the visualization in localhost, we used Streamlit. We also use GitHub to make an repository and upload our project here.
Good. That's great. That's great. So totally you have used four technologies.
Yeah,
Yes,
used
fine.
for
And then
for
Git.
technology.
That's great. That's great. Uh, did you encounter any performance issue? How did you identify and address them?
We faced a little bit issues in visualization and Streamlit, where we couldn't able to fetch the data very well in the visualization or in the Streamlit we can't able to present the data. But after going through multiple trial and errors and checking all the syntax of a particular sections, we able to address all the issues and then performing it in a right way, we simply did the whole project.
Well, that's great. Okay. Can you explain any situation where you had to make a critical decision that impacted the project direction?
Oh, okay. So in the last 2 or 3 days, we had four team members in our group, but unfortunately, one team member just got ill, and we have to revise all the redistribute all the responsibilities to other team members and uh, uh, work accordingly so that we can manage and complete the tasks in the given time period.
Well, that's great. That's a good approach, even though that shows your balancing stuff in between your team members. That's great. Uh, okay. Can How did you manage version control and collaboration in your project with your team?
So in the project, we to collaborate and manage the team members and teammate. We used to make two meetings a day, one in the morning and other in evening. In morning, we used to tell which team member will get which task, and in the evening for time we just overview all the tasks that has been done in the whole day and continuing this process daily for last 2 and 3 days, we able to complete the project.
Okay. Did your teammate has kept only 2 meetings or 3 meetings per day?
It was given to take 3 meetings in the instruction, but we think out and take only 2 meetings. That would be sufficient for our project. And if sometimes if there is a need of a meeting, we can. In some days we also did 3 or 4 meetings in the same day to address some issue or complete to understand what is happening wrong or fetch something new.
That's great. Based on the necessity, we have arranged the meetings as per the requirement. That's great. Okay. Uh, were there any trade-offs you had make while working on this project? How did you prioritize this?
So at the start of the meeting, we simply analyzed and have a 5 to 6 visualization in our project. But as our one fellow member got ill and we don't get enough time, we just simply skip 2 or 3 visualization that we supposed to have in the project. Some of them are, so one of them is the map. We want to fetch a map of all the sections and states mentioned in cities mentioned in the Los Angeles data, Los Angeles crime data, but because of certain situations, we could certainly couldn't do. But more or less, at the end of the day, we complete a great project.
That's great. Okay, last but one. Describe a piece of feedback you received on your project and how you implemented it.
So we finished our project by Friday morning, and we are reviewing it one by one. So we getting feedback from all the members. Then a certain member said, if we have given a filter named age, select multiple age, where all the ages are given, which is in the data. But we simply change it from just age to age category where a certain age will be fetching, like adults, seniors, and this filter is very useful to showcasing the data where which crime happening to which particular person in which region, which helps to visualize and analyze the data more efficiently.
Well, that's great. Last one. What what would you do differently if you were to start this project over again?
Okay. So if I have had to start this project again, I definitely use it. I definitely try to visualize it one or two one or two bar charts in the graph, and most importantly, I definitely give a map in the uh, data in the project section to visualize it more efficiently and look more efficiently and giving a more attractive look.
Well, that's great. Thank you, Rahul. Thank you for this your contribution. Thank you so much. With this, I would like to conclude by saying that thank you, Masai, for giving this wonderful opportunity to us, to our whole team, to perform this project in an efficient way. Thank you so much. With this, I end this recording. Thank you.
Thank you.